Hello guys, I will discuss the top 5 best microwaves on the market. I am tried to product list, product price, and specifications. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the new videos, latest top rated and latest product updates. Number 5. Panasonic Countertop Commercial Microwave Oven. More powerful and spacious than other compact microwaves. 1000 watts, it's higher powered than many others. Capacity of 0.8 cubic feet. Stainless steel finish. Enough power for use in restaurants, convenience stores, offices, and hotels. Bottom energy feed system for quick, efficient cooking. Touch control keypad operates 20 menus and 6 power levels. One of few to include Braille, or its keypad. More expensive than other compact microwaves. Plastic door scratches easily. Loud beeps. NSF and UL commercial approved. This Panasonic commercial microwave oven also provides an anti-theft component, tone control, self-diagnostics, and a see-through oven door and interior light for checking on food at a glance. Chef technical support is also available. Number 4. Commercial Chef Countertop Microwave Oven. A sleek countertop microwave oven that's perfect for preparing snacks or heating up leftovers. Includes an easy-to-grip handle to open and close the door. Strong construction with a durable front display and cabinet. Boasts an interior capacity of 0.6 cubic feet and a 95-inch turntable. Ideal in an apartment, office, dorm 100M, or other small area. Tends to be noisy. Turntable often squeaks. Delivers limited power in comparison to other microwaves. Great for anyone living within a small area like a dorm or apartment, as it won't take up much space but yet still gives the convenience of quickly cooking your food. Use correct cooking time and power level. Number 3. Winia Compact Countertop Microwave Oven. The retro styling of this compact microwave makes it a definite eye-catcher. For lovers of retro aesthetics, this compact unit sports a rounded door window and round digital readout, with polished start and stop buttons and a control knob to access options. This 700-watt oven offers 5 auto-cook presets, 5 adjustable power levels, and 2 levels of defrost. Its lightweight construction might feel flimsy. The control knob takes getting used to. More color options in white and red. Stylize your kitchen with Winia's retro microwaves. Please see the manual for boxed popcorn cooking instructions. Larger bags of popcorn will need to be folded in order to fully cook. Number 2. Amazon Basics Microwave Bundle with Echo Dot. This simple choice has the standard features you'd expect, plus the added bonus of smart compatibility with Echo Dot. Compact size saves valuable counter space. Echo Dot and built Alexa button allow for convenient microwave functionality. Easily ask Alexa to defrost vegetables, set a timer, or make popcorn with quick cook voice presets. Affordable price, and convenient for busy parents. Inconsistent heating because of TS size. Alexa feature isn't always helpful or relevant. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Digital Microwave Oven with Turntable Push. A sleek and compact microwave oven from a familiar brand. The front control panel offers one-touch button reheating for 6 common food items, such as pizza and frozen vegetables. The push-button latch allows for opening the door while preparing food, without the user having to grasp a handle. Some reviewers found it underpowered and smaller than expected. The large LED digital display has a clock function and can also display a countdown timer, as well as the cooking time remaining. The microwave can be turned on for 1 to 6 minutes at 100% power by simply touching the number you want. Stop the microwave at any time by pressing the stop button.